So is now the time to buy? We're going to go over the numbers next, and you make the decision. So don't go away.
Rents are starting to skyrocket, especially for single-family homes. A report out today marks a new milestone. Diana Olick joins us with the details. Diana?
Well, Kelly, rent growth is officially in the double digits for single-family homes, up just over 10% in September year over year. That's according to CoreLogic. Now, compare that to barely 3% annual growth a year ago. More jobs and sky-high prices in the for-sale housing market added to already strong demand for single-family rentals fueled by the pandemic. Now, vacancy rates are around a 25-year low. So once again, it's that supply-demand imbalance pushing prices. While rents are rising in all price tiers, the priciest rentals are seeing the biggest gains. And of course, all real estate is local. So Miami is topping the charts with rent up nearly 26% from a year ago, followed by Phoenix, Vegas, Austin, and San Diego. It's likely those top three are getting a boost from the return of the tourism industry. Austin is also seeing a huge influx of tech workers. At the bottom of the ladder, Chicago, Boston, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., and New York City. Just under 5% rent growth from a year ago. D.C., Boston, and New York already had very high rents, and Philly and Chicago have higher than average unemployment. Kelly?
Wow. So we have skyrocketing rents. I guess from that point of view, maybe home builder sentiment rising is a good thing, but I can't imagine it's going to help on the supply issue in the near term.
Well, the problem is that they don't have the land, labor, materials, the shortages, the supply chains. We even saw it from D.R. Horton last week when the chairman said they're actually slowing their sales to make sure that they can get the homes to their buyers fast enough that they're not late on deliveries. So you still have a lot of demand, which of course makes the home builders happy, but they still can't get enough homes out fast enough. And that's a real problem in the market.
Yeah, and it's a big component of inflation, core inflation especially, and all the economists are watching to see where we go from here. Diana, thank you so much. We appreciate it. Diana Olick today.
So you can see not only home prices are going nutso, so are rents. And then you have the builder sentiment that's just out the roof. So it just means we have a lack of housing in this country. So again, the options that you have are rent versus buy. Okay, so let's go over the rental numbers first. I picked three of the areas that Diane just went over, and we're going to dissect them here. Headline news today is rents for single-family homes surged 10% in September, boosted by pricey for-sale market and job growth. Okay, so that's what Diane Olick just went over. And then the other thing she mentioned was home builders' sentiment. Home builders' confidence surges past expectations. So we got home builders building like crazy, the rental market going nuts. Well, how about interest rates? Well, MarketWatch just yesterday announced interest rates on 30-year mortgages hit lowest level since September. Is now the time to buy. Okay, so that's what we're going to dissect here. So the first thing I started to do was break out the areas that Diane went over. So we look at Austin. Okay, so the Austin market. What I did is and I'll put this down below. It's Rent Cafe. Give them kudos. This is pretty cool. I just found this today. I put in rents, average rents in, and then I put in Texas. And this is what popped up. So in Texas, Austin, Texas, the average rents are $1,619 for a whopping 864 square feet. All right. The next one is we went to Phoenix. And in Phoenix, the rents are lower at $1,408, and you get a whopping 800 square feet. Holy moly, it's a castle. And then we go to Chicago, one of the lowest bumps in rents, and you have $2,059 for an amazing 750 square foot mansion. Okay, so that's the breakdown of the rents. So then what I wanted to do is break down and say, well, how much would you need? What do you need to do? What would it cost you if you're looking to buy in these markets? So let's break these down. What I need you to do is go to therateupdate.com, and this is where it's going to take you. Okay, so now we're going to go over buy a home and your mortgage calculator. So let's get to it. So in the Austin area, we were working with a payment of approximately $1,600. So we go to the mortgage calculator and we want to get this to 1,600 and see where that puts us. So we go to, and we start out, I'm just going to start out from scratch, 300,000. But do you know you only need 3% down? Okay. The rate today, I'm going to use 3.125. And I'm going to put the homeowner's insurance in here of $900. And the real estate taxes they're not that much, but let's just keep it in there for sakes of the descriptions. So we need to get to the $1,600 mark. So let's go to 250,000. There you go. All right. So you're going to be able to, between 250 and $260,000 is where you could look in Austin to buy a house that would put your payment equivalent to what you would be paying in rent on an 800 square foot castle. Okay, that's the first one. Next one, let's go to the Phoenix one. We're looking at 1408 in Phoenix. So everything else is going to stay the same. We want 1,408 bucks. So let's go to 225,000. Perfect. So $225,000 in Phoenix would get you a house, and I'm hoping that it could be a house that's bigger than 800 square feet for all that money. All right. The next one we want to go is Chicago. That was on the lower end of the appreciation scale of rents, and we're at $2,059. Well, we go to the mortgage calculator, and let's go to this one. We could probably take the 300,000. Let's see where that goes. We're not even at $2,000 yet. 320,000. Where does that put us? We're still buy a property for about $330,000 compared to that 750 square foot mansion you're going to get for $2,000 a month. So that's what I'm trying to get. I'm trying to give you guys the facts, the numbers. What happens a lot of times is people don't realize. They think they need 20% down. They need a ton of money down. You don't, okay? Many times you can get gifted money. Many times you might be able to get down payment assistance money. Do you know that maybe your parents, they might want to get you out of the house and they might give you $5,000. Aunt and uncle might give you a couple grand to buy a house. You can use gifted money. These are the areas that I'm trying to make it, I'm just trying to reveal to you guys to say, you don't need absolutely perfect credit. You don't need to be on your job for 10 years. You don't need an 800 credit score. You don't need $50,000 down. Your rents are going up. And in many cases, rents are going up 10, 15, 20, 30% just since last year. So that market's going crazy too. So is now the perfect time to buy? I don't know. That's up to you guys. And that's why I do the videos, to give you the facts behind everything. So if you like my video and you find value in this, please put a description down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell every time I post a video, you get an alert. How do you find out more about me and my team? Well, awesome. If you're in the mortgage process right now and you want some assistance from us, we would love to help you. All you need to do is go to therateupdate.com. First thing is, give us a call if you'd like. 844-775-5626. Another way you can do it is apply online right here. They apply online. What a lot of people are doing is this meeting tool that we just put in about 30 days ago. We probably have about 5 or 6 of these a day. You click in there and you schedule a meeting with us one-on-one via Zoom or call. You pick the day, you pick the time, and we'll be there. Okay, that's that. If you're in the process right now and you're already approved or pre-approved and you're locked in or not locked in, I created this tool for you to send me your loan estimate from the lender that you're using that gives you your rate, your terms, and everything about your loan. I'm going to review it and go to resources, upload your loan estimate. You click there. You click right here because it's a secured portal. In this message section, tell me the story. What are you looking to do? Please give me your phone number and please give me your credit score. So I know how to be, with all that information, that helps me figure out what program you fit into, what rates are we going to be able to get you, and so forth. And that's how easy it is. So I'm here for you guys. I'm hoping to be your mortgage professional, your mortgage consultant for life, and we look forward to hearing from you. So thank you so much for watching the video. God bless, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.